Alright guys, welcome back to another Fab Friday video. We had to retake some of this stuff. We had some problems with the footage that we put up. I just kept having problems with Facebook on it, but we're going to try this again and see how it goes here. So we got our black truck up here we've been working on. We've been mounting the motor on it. We've got the transmission in it. This thing's been coming along really good. Over here to the side, we got my GTO. We'll kind of take you guys over here and let you see it. We got a big order out to Mr. Joe at Auto Plum on some fittings for that thing, and we just got the confirmation this morning that we got some fittings coming in, so thank you Mr. Joe on that. We'll kind of walk on back here to the back, let you guys see what we got going on back here on the Jeep build. Today you guys are going to get to see some final welding going on there, and also we got several other things that's happening. We got the hood mounted, all kinds of cool stuff, and a bunch of parts are coming for this thing as well. So sit back and enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
She came hard at work, hanging her banners up. And over here helping us out, getting some cleaning and some painting done. Looking good, dude.
Alright guys, I thought I'd take a quick second here to make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. The last couple of videos I've done an explanation on how you actually subscribe, and we seem to get a big boost in subscribers on that, so I'm going to do that again. Make sure you look below the video on YouTube and look and see if it says subscribed or subscribe. If it is in red, that is bad. We need to make that thing gray. So make sure you push that subscribe button and make sure you are subscribed. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our new website, kilbymotorsports.com, for all your high performance needs. If you like this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button. It helps us out a ton. Till next time, you guys have a good one.